If you're a small business owner, here's how you break through your plateaus. You find people who know more than you do, and here's why. Because you probably got to this point because you've brought people in, taught them everything you know, brought another person in, taught them everything you know, and you can do all their jobs better than them. But at the point that you plateau is where you've run out of ideas, and the business is the accumulation of all the best ideas in the business, but if they all come from you, it's only from one brain. And so at that point, when you hit this plateau is when you need to bring other people in who have experience and knowledge that you don't have. And as soon as you have that, it expands the roof of the business because now it's not based on one brain, but many.
Preach, brother, preach. That's all I think about when I watch that. It's your business is an idea. You know, whoever started Nike just got excited about some idea and then they emphatically, enthusiastically shared it with the world. Same thing with Adidas and Apple and everything else. It all started with an idea. And so your business is a culmination of all the ideas put together, the best ideas that you've had and your team's had. But when you plateau, it just basically means you've run out of ideas, and so you need to find someone to help you with those ideas. And that's why I love what I do at the Knowledge Gap Company, because I'm helping people when they're at that plateau get to the next level. And when you get stuck, guys, find someone with better ideas. Quit trying to learn everything yourself. Start leveraging your time.
YouTube content helps build your personal brand. People get to know you, they see your reputation, they hear some other client testimonials, maybe if you put those up, whatever it is.
Biggest point right there before we even go through the rest of this clip is if people trust you, they'll work with you. The reason your industry exists is because there's a need. And the reason people work with us is because they have a need and they trust us. And so your entire job in almost every single industry is just to build trust. It's just the branding. It's how do you make someone feel like they know you before they get to know you. That's how you multiply the time. Normally people can do that really well in person, but they're struggling with that online. So how can we accomplish that? And YouTube is one of the best ways to do that because it's long form content. It's evergreen, meaning it's going to be around for forever. When people actually Google questions, it pops up YouTube links and YouTube videos. So most people, guys, the only reason they're not working with you is trust.
And so committing to going all in on YouTube is a wise move because building your personal brand in an internet and online age is one of the most valuable assets you could ever have.
Yes, and again, totally agree on this, guys, because YouTube's only growing. It's the #2 search engine in the world. And so when you actually create content on here, there's gonna be evidence, okay, proof that you are good at what you say you are good at, because people don't just trust what people are saying anymore. They go and Google them. They go check out their social media profiles, their website. They want to make sure that who they invest their money and time with going to get them the result that they need. And it's even better if your purpose, why, and your brand is really clear through all of the content. My rule of thumb is if there's not at least 7 hours of content online where people can go watch you and really get to know you, you don't have enough content out there, and that's what you need to be doing. Because people don't make decisions through logic, they make emotional decisions. If they feel emotionally close to you, they will trust you. At least they'll be open-minded to a meeting with you, and then the magic can actually happen.
Number one point in why and how a mentor can change your life. The most important point is speed. The right mentor can teach you what you can learn in 2 years, in 6 months.
Speed's everything. So if you can, like exactly what he's saying, like if you can save 18 months of your life's pretty short. So why would you not do that? Why would you not speed up the process of growth of your business? Why would you struggle and go through the frustration and all the plateaus by yourself, making it really hard on yourself versus finding somebody who can teach you exactly what you need to know in less time? It's the exact reason consulting exists. Instead of having to go door to door and sell for 7 years, you can literally talk to me about a sales concept. Instead of recruiting 43 students to go sell books door to door and figuring all that out and having all the failure that I've gone through, you can literally just talk to me. And there's other people that you can talk to about all the different things that you're struggling with in your business.
What you can do on your own and figuring out on your own by taking, whatever books you read and all this other stuff and no one-on-one relationship with a mentor, that may take you 12 years, that may take you 15 years, but with the right mentor, you may do it in 6 years or 5 years or 4 years. The main difference that you're doing is you're condensing time frames if you have the right mentor, and you're lengthening it if you try to do it all on your own.
I love that. You're condensing time frames, right? Business growth is really about time. As the business owner, you have 24 hours in a day. How you spend that time determines where your business goes. So the reason I'm really good at what I'm good at is literally because I had access to some incredible mentors who had been either selling books door to door for years and years and years at Southwestern or recruiting for years and years and years, and they were teaching me all this knowledge. The only reason I could figure those things out as fast as I did was not on my own. When I went out on my own, I started doing my own thing. I started getting decent at YouTube. I still hired a full-time YouTube expert. His name's John Snyder over at the Knowledge Gap Company, who helps all of our clients and myself be better on YouTube. And what he's taught me me in just the last 3 months was more valuable than me doing it on my own for a whole year. So surround yourself with incredible mentors and you'll go places. Stop doing everything yourself. Trust me, you're not gonna get there by yourself. If you find the right people, you will unlock some doors. Hey guys, thanks for watching. What did you think of my takes on these? Comment if you agree or disagree in your thoughts, and I'll see you at the next one. Thank you to all the sponsors who make this show possible. This episode is sponsored by Donna Bowling. Donna has been in the lending business for more than 16 years. She is dedicated, dependable, and an incredibly efficient loan officer. She's the Bankers Association Lender of the Year, Secretary and Treasurer of Tennessee Mortgage Bankers Association, and past president of Knoxville Mortgage Bankers Association. If you want to ensure you have the best possible lender for your next mortgage, contact Donna Bowling at 865-414-8973. Are you in search of a title agency that truly puts you first? Look no further than Knoxville Title Agency, where excellence meets exceptional customer service. At Knox Title Agency, they understand that buying or selling a property can be a complex process. That's why their team of dedicated professionals, led by Regional Director Chase Reno, is here to guide you every step of the way. Their mission is simple: to provide you with a seamless and stress-free title experience. They pride themselves on their attention to detail and going above and beyond for their clients. At Knox Title Agency, you'll receive exceptional customer service that sets them apart from the rest. They believe in creating a welcoming culture where you feel valued and confident in your decision. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a real estate investor, or a seasoned homeowner, they have the expertise to handle all your title needs. Trust them to navigate the complexities of title searches, insurance, and closings so that you can focus on what matters most to you. Experience the Knox Title Agency difference today. Give them a call at 865-691-1100 or visit their website at knoxvilletitle.com. Knoxville Title Agency, where excellence meets exceptional customer service. Knoxville Title Agency, your trusted partner in all your title needs.